Hi there, it's Vera here. Welcome to my Facebook group at Tech Hacks. For this video and more videos, visit my Facebook group at Tech Hacks. Today's video is going to be all about using Equatio. Equatio is a Chrome extension that allows you to build math formulas, graphs, get protractors, and many other math tools. First things first, you need to go to the Chrome store and type in Equatio. It looks like this. It's a blue squared and says Equatio. So for you, it's going to say add. So make sure you add it. Once you add it, you're gonna see a blue icon on your toolbar that looks like this. So once you have this, let's see how this works. Equatio is actually a very cool extension because not only does it allow you to type in formulas, but it actually recognizes your voice so that you can actually give it a voice command to type in any formula, as well as any handwritten notes you have and you upload it, it can actually screenshot them and read the formula. So I'll show you an example. So here is a handwritten y minus b equals m to the brackets x minus a. So what you can do once you have your Equatio extension, you can click on it and you'll see on the bottom of your Google Doc this toolbar up here. You can actually move this toolbar anywhere you'd like. I like to keep it on the bottom. So I just want to go over what this toolbar has. So it has an equation editor. It has a graph, so you can make graphs with it. You can actually hand write things and it's going to recognize it. You can do a speech input. You can have it on your phone. You can insert, they have like insert math space. This is where you can start inserting other cool math tools. I'll show you that after. And then you can also have screenshot reader. So I'll show you what a screenshot reader does. So I'm going to select my screenshot reader. So here's my handwritten formula. I'm going to put it on top of it. So what it's doing right now is it's reading a handwritten material and it changes it into text. So what you can do with this now is when you click on this, it asks you, what do you want to do with it? Copy latex, copy the math ML, or edit. So I'm going to say copy. And now on the bottom, I can paste it, and here it is already, typed in keyboard format. So it took my handwriting and it converted it into a digital formula. So here's a more complicated one. So again, this is a handwritten formula. I'm going to take my screenshot reader, select it, select the area that I want. And again, this is an image that it's just going to read. So it's thinking. And look at that. It took the exact same formula that I had handwritten and it converted it and pasted it in wherever you'd like. I want to show you another one. So let's do the voice recording, speech input. So once you do voice recording, you're going to see it opens a toolbar like this. So on here, it's going to say your speech, and then it's going to write down your formula. So I'm going to write down, I'll just say any type of formula. So click speech, x squared plus y squared equals c squared. So you'll notice on the left, it takes my speech, and on the right, even with mistakes, even with even if I say something that's not math related, it filters everything out so that only the formula is left there. So watch again. Pi r squared. You see that? And just because I said it, I already had it. So again, with this, if you're happy with the way your speech to text looks, and you can even change the color here. So we can make it green. Click insert, and it's going to insert it in your Google Doc. Look at that. There it is, my green pi r squared. So let's say you wanted to draw a graph for your students. Y equals mx plus b, and it drew me our slope. So any type of formula you'd like to put in, it's going to graph it for you. If you're happy with this graph, click Insert Graph, and it goes automatically on your Google Doc. So both you and the students can do this if you have this extension inserted. I want to show you another thing you can do with it. Click on this cube over here, Insert Math Space, to a math space that looks like this. So this is a cool area. I already started looking at what they have here. You can click on Shapes, select a shape, make it a small or a big as you'd like. You can do freehand drawing. It has handwritten recognition. You can do more graphs here, but look at all of this. So I can choose another protractor, choose the angles I'd like. There's a fraction circle, there's a fraction grid, a fraction bar. So here's my fraction circle. And I can choose how many segments I want. So let's say I want to change this to 8. And let's say I want maybe only 4 shaded ones. So look at that. I can show a fraction circle with 50% shaded, 50% not, whatever you guys prefer for the students to have. So lots of cool things. And once I'm happy with all of this, I can click Insert Math. When you go on Forms and you create a quiz for your students, once you have the extension, it'll actually give you the formulas for each question. So let's say under this question, I wanted to create a formula. You're going to click on the blue icon. Y squared plus b squared. Y squared plus b squared equals c squared. Happy with this? Click Insert Math. And there it is. And you can align it anywhere you'd like. So we can even say center alignment. Right alignment, you can change it. You can also click Graph. And you can insert a graph right in here as well. On Google Forms, it's super easy to use. I hope this video helped, especially those of you that are teaching math and have to write all these formulas by hand. Now you can, whatever notes you have, you can just upload them to your drive, use the screenshot, and it's going to convert all your handwritten formulas into digital formulas. You can have your students say this formulas to convert it. You can make graphs, you can make shapes, you can do fractions. So I really hope this video helped. For this video and more videos, visit my Facebook page at Tech Hacks.